Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, comment and share this video. Today I am making these cozy fingerless gloves, super easy and super cute. You can make them for yourself. So let's get started and make something warm and pretty together. If you are a beginner, don't worry, this pattern is really simple to follow. I will show you step by step tutorial how to crochet these stylish gloves. First we need some yarn, scissors, crochet hook. Here I am using 4x4 crochet hook and a gun glue. So first hold yarn like this and make a slip knot. Next we're gonna make chain, yarn over and pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Total make 9 chains on top. Here my 9 chains complete. This 9 chains is for making cuff part. So measure it with your second glove. Next we're gonna make single crochet. Skip one chain and make single crochet into the next chain. Continue making single crochet on 9 chains. So here my first row is complete with single crochet. Now for the next row, make one chain on top, turn your work and continue making single crochet, but second row we make single crochet only in back loop. Here you see 2 chain loop on top. Continue making single crochet only in back loop. Here is my second row complete. For the beginning of new row, make one chain on top for single crochet. Chain 1. Again turn your work and continue making single crochet only in back loop. This pattern is so easy. Continue making same pattern and complete of 40 rows with single crochets but only in back loop. Here my 40 rows complete. Now joining both sides with slip stitch. Slip stitch pattern I will show you clearly in this video. After joining both sides, now we're gonna make half double crochet stitch. For half double crochet, 2 chain on top, then continue making 1 half double crochet on each chain below. See this pattern clearly in this video. Continue making half double crochet stitch pattern until you complete a round 1. Here my first round complete with half double crochet, now slip stitch and then chain 2 on top for next round. Continue making half double crochet stitch on each chain below. Continue making same pattern until you complete the total of 12 rounds with half double crochet stitch. Here my 12 round complete. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. In 13 round we make the thumb part like this, then continue making round on top. For making thumb space we're gonna make same pattern, but in this row we make 21 half double crochet stitches. Here my 21 half double crochet stitch is complete. Now skip 8 chain below and slip stitch into the 9 chain like this and make 2 chains on top. Turn your work and continue making half double crochet stitches like this. Now slip stitch in the end, then 2 chains on top and continue making half double crochet stitch. Continue making same pattern and complete the 5 rows on top. After making thumb part, we have 7 rows on top like this, and slip stitch in the end, cut the leftover yarn, secure it tightly in the end. Now from inner side, hide the leftover yarn with your crochet hook. Here my crochet fingerless gloves complete. Use gun glue and attach crochet mini heart on top of the gloves. Watch mini crochet heart tutorial on my YouTube channel. Stick it tightly on top of gloves. Here my crochet fingerless gloves complete. You can make them for yourself. It is super easy and super cute. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.